Well, it's been a minute. We're gonna go check out something for the truck, naturally. But this is gonna be a cosmetic upgrade, but it's gonna be super cool. Well, front door usually works better. Anyways, oh man, this is gonna look good. So they specialize with instrument clusters, and yeah, we're gonna do something with Betty. It's actually very well priced for what it is, and boy, it's gonna make it pop. I'm stoked. Update on the other stuff. Things are happening, guys. Things are happening. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Woo!